watch somebody else's video? Oof. I know. Yeah. Oof. Ooh, rugby. Rugby. I'm shooting my video on. Special. It's kind of like the ghetto. Rugby. It's what two.
You know what I'm saying? All the Florida drinkers. And if you two fucking block.
Rugby. Ooh, burps like crazy. $32. Shit. As you can see, I'm sitting here in the bath. Rugby. I took. Rugby. Thanks for watching. Uh, 209 J John. Rugby. Free. Dogs out running around. shit. Feels good. Stretch my muscles. Rugby. I don't know which dude it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him $8. Can't act like I made a mistake. I'm finna say
Hell to pay. Dirt nap. 199. NewCastleKid.
Make sure he stays in the driveway. Do you hear me?
Again. I get isn't that bad. So to the label I will go. That's fucking awesome, bro. Hell yeah. Brass fucking monkey. Rugby. Scott Earnshaw. Brown bat 40 ounce. Oh shit. That was pretty cool. But I saw it today.
Do it, rapper. See, it was weird.
I shout out. Matter of fact, who drawn? Oh,
You,
shit.
see, you ain't even eat.
So. We leave. Shit. Clear.
Change while I make the spot rain. Take a spike leeway, I do the right thing to it. Got back door like 10 to 4, I'm rolling like dice. Married to the money, only get.
Today is for Battleground, and that's the first time ever it's coming through the forum. Nice. So yeah,
who are experts in online education. Did you tell them I'm acing the school full time?
Well, fuck fitness. Should have made it a chug video. Shit. I don't know if I will or not. Shrimp kebab. Hold on, let me get it. Why? Eat a dick, nigga.
Real nigga talk seems bogus. Real nigga ain't gotta say that he real as long as he know it.
That's what I'm working on. Come on, Jake.
No. But yeah, no, he got a kick out of me. And then Bad Beer Fridays. So Tuesdays and Thursdays. I don't know what the fuck Tuesday. Like, it could be 2 hours long, but they're fucking entertaining and they're funny and the shit they talk about. And if you listen to them, they make. Because I did a challenge and I fucking beat it. Rugby. No, they won't shoot him. She won't make a video for me. All right, cheers. Just kill it. And you just went along with it and made your video to it and then edited shit out. It was very, very well done, sir. Thank you, of course, but break my phone because it's a piece of shit. I'll throw it that way.
Rugby.
He doesn't dry in time. I have to pull him out the 300-degree oven. All the little shit I know about a lot. I know a little about a lot of shit. Rugby.
I'm embarrassed.
I had a little bit of that in there.
Yes. Old school violin.
Like 4 and 5 years old, you know. It happened to Dirt Nat when he did the 32-ounce challenge and he drank a 32-ounce. So I'm not like trash, but I'm in Buzztown, you know. I'm feeling good. I think Dorf said Buzztown, so shouts out to Dorf, man. And you're a big guy, dude. Big guys have bigger mouths and like pull it away from my mouth. I'm just gonna do it. It's fucking hot out here in Florida, man.
Oh, we got a ball out now. I'll go grab the ball. Here, I'll go grab it. Here, I'll open the pen up. Stay in the camera. There you go. Just close the pen up. There you go. Come on, NewCastleKid. You got this.
You got this. You're almost there, dude. Almost there. You got a minute right now. My bad. Quit thinking too fast. Thinking way too fast.